What's up, BSG family? Before we get this video started, I want to say, if you can, say a prayer for my mother. She's in the hospital. This been going on for a while, and it's a rough time right now. So if you guys could just say a prayer for her, I surely appreciate it. Thanks. This is where I got my aluminum heads from. Flowtech. And that's their website right there. Go in there, man, get you a pair. I paid $1,200, like more like 11 something, almost 12 for the whole set. So as you guys can see, we had to re-weld the motor mounts. I'm gonna clean that up. I'm not finished welding it yet. Thought I'd just take a break and let you guys see it. See the engine sitting in there looking good. Don't worry about this. This is coming off. I got stuff AM fitting going in these here, so but let you get a good look at it. Closed all the way. Got to figure out this gap here, but closed flush. So next thing I need to get into is bolting this stuff down, bolting them heads down. So yeah, but first I'm gonna finish welding that up, and then I'm gonna bolt the heads down. What's going on, BSG? Man, yeah, I can't go no further, man. My mind ain't right. I think I kind of pushed myself into something now I wasn't ready to do, but I'm gonna have to do, because I wasn't thinking. I'm usually thinking 2 steps ahead to keep me out of situations, keep me out of trouble. But like I said, my mind ain't right now. I got too much other stuff on my mind, so I'm done with this, man. Once this video come out, it's gonna be a few weeks before I even come out with anything else, man, because I got family stuff to do, which you guys already know what's going on. So let me show you guys this, and this is where it's gonna sit at for a little while. All right, so here we go. This is what it is, man. I'm gonna have to probably go turbos or right away, or let somebody else give me an idea of how to run my exhaust. So with me lowering my motor mounts, it made a situation to where my exhaust can't go through between the motor and the steering column. Over here, the headers were not lined up correctly because they were all over the suspension. So these things here is what I'm going to use, because I have 1.6 rockers to put in, but none of this stuff is getting done there for a little while. Yeah, kind of messed up the firewall right there, trying to get this thing in here adjusted and all that good stuff. So So, man, put in the comments, man. Tell me what y'all think. Tell me what ideas y'all got for as far as the exhaust. Yeah, it is crazy. See, I got that turbo right there for it, and then I got this other one here. Let me grab it. Sit y'all somewhere so y'all don't fall over. I got this one here to go in there. But this one here has, I got all these pieces here for this one. You know, so I'm leaning more towards this bottom one because it has everything there that I need to put on there. Shall I say, runs everything you run from here around, or from here around to here, and then the exhaust will blow out back that way. I probably can run something down in between there, and shit, I don't know, man. I got to get creative over here. So, yeah. Somebody let me know, man. See, I done backed myself into a little corner, and I can't seem to fucking think, man, right now. I can't think at all. So, guys, I'm just gonna call it, man. And I'll see y'all in a couple of weeks. Peace.